إن الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, today, just as earlier discussed, we are going to be treating the activity sheet. So the activity sheet is a part of the data sheet. Just as we have explained before, the data sheet has a number of subsections like activity sheet, inventory sheet, accounting sheet, payment sheet, and the likes. However, the activity sheet is the first of them that we are going to be treating, inshallah. So what is the function of the activity sheet? The function of the activity sheet is for anyone who is a member of the group to write their activity, their daily activity in. So every single member is expected to perform one or two obligations. Once he performs those obligations, he is to go to the activity sheet and he is to log that activity in. So for example, if I were to be the one in charge of the website and the ads, and my name was Ibrahim, I'll write Ibrahim. Let's say I went to copy the website details by 9 a.m. So I'll just write I logged in by 9 a.m. and the activity I did is I copied the orders from Go I level to and that's the activity. If the person were to be in charge of accounting in terms of the accounting sheet, so he would log in his name, probably let's say his name is Yakub. So let's say he did his own activity at around 12 o'clock, say 12 p.m. So we'll say I recorded the new sales we made today in the account sheet. So that's what he did. So everybody is expected to do that. For those in the delivery, whatever activity you make too, you write your name, you write the time, and you also write the activity. And this also includes the person in charge of monitoring. The person in charge of monitoring, let's say his name is Ismail, so he's going to write his name. He is to check that every single person in the group has carried out their expected task, and is to verify that those tasks that they claim that they've done is actually done. So let's say all the tasks that were done yesterday, let's say yesterday was 26th, today 27th, he would go on the morning of 27th to check for all the tasks that people have done the previous day. So let's say he came here 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 a.m., and he checked all the tasks that they had done. He checked the inventory sheets. Let's say Yakub said he recorded a new sale. He'll go to the accounting sheet and check yesterday, was there any recording done for the inventory? Okay, yes, it was done. He will come back, he will take note of it. He will check again. Let's say this other person copied the orders from Go level. He said he copied it. He will go and check, did they actually copy it? He's going to check everybody's task that they said they did, and he's going to also make his comments here that I let's say out of all of them, maybe the one person did not do his tax. Maybe a person in charge of the delivery, he did not update the fact that a payment was made. So he will just say that I checked and verified the previous day's activities and all were carried out as expected, except for the, let's say, the delivery and payment team and payment team. They failed to record the previous day's activities. So it's going to log that in. So that's the essence of this sheet. So every single person is recording the activities they've done, and the person in charge of monitoring too would also actually go there and actually record the fact that he has monitored them and he has checked them and is sure that everything is going on fine. Do we understand this? So this is the essence of this activity sheet here. Is what we are saying clear? So this is the essence of this. So every single day, everybody must come here and everybody must log their daily activities. We did this, we did this, we did this. If you confirmed order, if you're in the order confirmation too, you will come here, you will write it that I confirmed 5 orders. Do you understand? You write your name, I confirmed 5 orders. The person in charge of the monitoring too will go and check. Your name is maybe Ibrahim, because in the confirmation sheet you are going to have to write your name for the orders you confirm. He will check, okay, today this person said he confirmed 5 orders. He will check it, okay, yes, he actually confirmed 5 orders. So this is what the activity sheet is for. It is for ensuring that everybody actually carries out their tasks and everybody logs in their tasks. Everybody should say whatever it is they are doing. They should say it, say it, say it. Do you understand? And that is the essence of it. The last thing I want to mention is that the person in charge of monitoring, it is your responsibility to create the new bar for each day. You know, this is 28th of October, this is 29th of October. For each month, do you understand? You would have to create it. Do you understand? You change it for each month, because this is just for October. For November, you have to change it. So you just change it just to ensure that everything is properly done. So this is the essence of the activity sheet. I hope we all understand. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood and said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. We encourage everybody to make sure that they watch each and every of these videos so that they have a rounded understanding of the whole system. Don't just say that, oh, I'm the one in charge of maybe inventory, so it's only inventory you are going to watch. No, watch each and every of these videos so that you'll be able to understand how everything works together. And if there's any situation whereby you need to make one or two adjustments, suggestions, or anything, you will be in the proper position to do the needful. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, nash'adu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.